tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having a machine that can replicate human-like handwriting with precision and speed, making it perfect for bulk writing tasks such as letters, envelopes, and invitations. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to the original iDraw 2.0 H-Structure Pen Plotter XY Plotter, a groundbreaking device that's about to revolutionize the way we approach handwriting tasks. One of the most impressive features of the iDraw 2.0 is its effortless bulk writing capability, thanks to email merge and Hershey font support. With this feature, you can easily print out multiple letters, envelopes, or invitations with unique addresses and messages, all in a beautiful, human-like handwriting style. The Hershey font support ensures that the text looks natural and varied, just like it was written by a real person. This feature is a game-changer for businesses, event planners, and individuals who need to send out large quantities of personalized mail. Just imagine being able to send out personalized invitations to all your guests with the touch of a button. It's a huge time saver and a great way to add a personal touch to your correspondence. But what really sets the iDraw 2.0 apart from its predecessor is its incredible speed. This latest version is twice as fast as the iDraw 1.0, making it the ultimate choice for those who demand results in record time. With a speed increase of 200%, you can get more work done in less time, which is perfect for busy professionals and businesses with high-volume printing needs. Whether you're printing out hundreds of invitations or creating custom artwork, the iDraw 2.0 can handle it with ease and precision. And the best part is that the increased speed doesn't compromise on quality. The text is still crisp, clear, and beautifully written. The iDraw 2.0 is also powered by cutting-edge technology, including the DrawCore version 2.0 motherboard and GRBL-compatibility firmware. This means that the device is not only fast and precise, but also highly reliable and easy to use. The DrawCore version 2.0 motherboard provides a robust and stable platform for the device to operate on, while the GRBL-compatibility firmware ensures seamless communication between the device and your computer. This technology also enables the device to receive regular updates and improvements, ensuring that it stays ahead of the curve and continues to meet your evolving needs. Another key feature of the iDraw 2.0 is its precision beyond measure. With a minimum resolution of 0.01 mm on both the Y and X axis, the device can achieve impeccable mechanical precision, ensuring that every stroke is nothing short of perfection. This level of precision is unmatched in the industry and makes the iDraw 2.0 perfect for creating intricate artwork, custom designs, and precise technical drawings. Whether you're an artist, engineer, or designer, the iDraw 2.0 is the perfect tool for bringing your ideas to life with precision and accuracy. Finally, the iDraw 2.0 is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a power switch and pause button that make it safer and more convenient to write. The limit switch helps you find the beginning point each time, and the UUNA TEK 2.0 control add-ons allow you to seamlessly manage power rate, engraving speed, and input formats. This means that you can easily customize the device to suit your specific needs and preferences, making it an intuitive and enjoyable experience. In conclusion, the original iDraw 2.0 H-Structure Pen Plotter XY Plotter is a revolutionary device that's set to change the way we approach handwriting tasks. With its effortless bulk writing capability, incredible speed, cutting-edge technology, precision beyond measure, and user-friendly control, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their handwriting to the next level. Whether you're a business, artist, or individual, this device is sure to impress and inspire. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the iDraw 2.0 today and experience the future of handwriting. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your creativity and productivity. Get ready to unlock a world